Good morning. Room service. How can I help you?
Good morning. I am calling from room 405. I'd like some extra towels, please. Can you send them to my room?
Sure, sir. How many towels do you need?
I need 2 extra towels.
No problem, sir. I will send them to your room in 10 minutes.
Thanks. Also, my room needs cleaning. Can you arrange that?
Yes, sir. Would you like to get it done now or later?
It will be better now.
Okay, sir. I will inform the housekeeping staff. They will come in a few minutes.
Hello. I am calling from room number 405. I would like to order some tea and snacks.
Certainly, sir. What would you like?
Please send a cup of masala tea and a plate of samosas.
Masala tea and samosas. Do you want anything else, sir?
No, that's it for now.
Alright, sir. Your order will be delivered to your room in 20 minutes.
Thank you. By the way, I have a question about meal times at your restaurant.
Of course, sir. Please ask.
What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is served from 7 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. in the restaurant located on the first floor.
What dishes are available for breakfast?
Sir, we have both Indian and continental options. You can eat parathas, idlis, dosas, bread toasts and eggs. Tea, coffee and juices are also available.
That's good. And what about lunch?
Lunch is from 12:30 p.m. to 3 p.m. You can order a la carte or choose from our thali options.
What thali options do you have?
We have North Indian thali, South Indian thali and Jain thali.
Sounds good. What time is dinner?
Dinner is served from 7 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. You can order from the menu or enjoy our buffet.
The buffet sounds interesting. What is included in the buffet?
Sir, the buffet includes soup, salad, starters, both vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes and desserts.
Thank you for the information. It helped a lot.
You are welcome, sir. Can I help you with anything else?
No, that's it for now. Thanks for your help.
My pleasure, sir. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Thanks for watching. May you have a great time ahead.